How to enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Instagram has an auto scroll feature that can do this for you. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. You can update the app from the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Now, open the Instagram app. Tap the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen. Play any reel, then tap the three-dot icon on the right side of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. Look for Auto Scroll and tap the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, Instagram will automatically move to the next reel after the current video finishes playing. That's it. You can now watch Instagram Reels continuously without manually swiping to each video. Keep in mind that auto scroll may not be available on every account or region yet, even if your Instagram app is updated. And that's how you can enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.